Hey guys, welcome to another RYOutfitters Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out TrebLabs HD77 speaker. TrebLab makes high quality consumer good electronics that just make life more enjoyable. Makes it more fun to do the things. They specialize specifically in Bluetooth speakers, earbuds, and headphones. Music makes everything better, but they also make massage guns and air purifiers. Getting your soundtrack right when you're in the middle of a workout is, a pretty serious thing, and they get that. Because of that, all their products are designed to deliver the highest quality sound and withstand some of the toughest environments that you might find yourself in. Today we're going to specifically be looking at their HD77 speaker. TrebLabs HD77 speaker is extremely sleek. It's got a sleek design, really attractive to look at, super clean, and it's made for outdoor sports and outdoor adventures. Not only is it super rugged, making it perfect for hiking, camping, fishing, going to the beach, that kind of stuff, it's made to withstand the elements. Be able to withstand rain, be near a river. It's made to withstand all the elements while still delivering top-notch sound quality. Plus it has cool ambient LED lights. And a dope startup sound. The sound quality of the speaker is phenomenal. You get clear highs, clear lows. Doesn't get too muddy if you really boost the volume. Quality is consistent pretty much at every level. Each of their true wireless stereo portable Bluetooth speakers come with crisp 360-degree HD sound and dual-bass double subwoofers to deliver a vibrant sound that pops. What's even cooler is you have the option to connect to two speakers. You can actually have like true surround sound. Get a couple of these, sit right in the middle of them, play some epic classical music. That's how I want to work out, just saying. The true high definition surround sound with two speakers is pretty hard to beat. Like I alluded to a moment ago, this speaker can take a beating without missing a beat. The TrebLab HD77 is completely shockproof and a wireless waterproof speaker. It's IPX6 rated, so the sound can really shine through even when it's raining and can be dropped without any fuss. And on top of that, it has a 33 signal range, so you can drop it in one location, walk around. If you're doing housework, you can keep your phone in your pocket, not lose connection. If you are by yourself, chill environment, just easy listening, keeping it at medium really isn't that bad. You still get a ton of sound. Setting up the speakers simple and straightforward. There aren't too many buttons to make it overwhelming. There's on button, lower volume, higher volume, play and pause. That easy. Pairing it is a cinch. Not complicated there, and it takes seconds to actually hook up to a phone or mobile device. Plus, once you're paired, you can actually make calls with a built-in speaker and use your virtual assistant. Get some help from Siri or whatever robot is inside of your phone. Lastly, TrebLab offers 100% satisfaction guaranteed and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus, they offer a 1-year warranty. I thought you were going to want to give this thing back. This is awesome. I'm about to get 6 more. If you are looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that can really take a beating, sound quality is amazing, and you can take anywhere without worrying. You blast some Eye of the Tiger while you work out outside. I don't know, whatever you do. Whatever it is, I would definitely recommend checking out TrebLabs HD77 Bluetooth portable speaker. That's it for our spotlight of TrebLabs HD77 portable speaker. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Give us a like. Let us know how we're doing. If you have any experience with TrebLab, let us know. Join the conversation down below. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for another RYOutfitters Spotlight coming at you next week.